Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are working on gate shutter with the TECHB STEM kit. In this project, the main components used are ultrasonic sensor, a DC motor controller and a cubic controller. So, the main aim of the project is when the ultrasonic sensor detects any object, the gate will be opened. We have fast forwarded the video. For the step-to-step guidance and the coding stuff, go through the description below. As we can see now, the gate will open when the ultrasonic sensor sense any object. I hope you really enjoyed the video. For any queries, ask in the comment section below.